Today's little project on a 2012 Mazda 5, replacing the left ABS sensor. That's the beast. Sometimes you have to do a bunch of diagnostic to figure out what's wrong with it. Sometimes stupid comes over and hits it with a hammer, and then you have to replace it. Mine is the later, as you can guess. So first things first, remove the wheel. Now the ABS sensor is located right behind the wheel, so you can get to it and work it from the back. But sometimes it's a little stuck, or a little hard to get to, plus there is no way you can see it on film. So I'll be doing a slightly different way, is removing the brake caliper, the disc, and then you get clear access to it. Removing the caliper is simple. There are two 17s on the back, or 15s. 17 it is. Now once you're done suspending your caliper, just pull this off. There it is. To make it really easy, there are three 10 mils. You remove the dust shield, and then you get a nice clear access to it. And there it is, as you can see. That's your problem, right? Duh. Ideally you would have a reverse Torx to remove it, but all I have is the regular 5 mil. As you can see, with a 5 mil, it comes out like nothing. Mine is not rusted and very clear, so just came out. Also with brakes and dust shield remove, you get nice clear access to the brake sensor if it's stuck a little bit or whatever, to remove it. ABS sensor, I mean. As you can imagine, removing a stuck sensor can be a bit of an interesting proposition, but it's plastic and metal, so it shouldn't rust too badly. I'm using a flat screwdriver and a few tabs to get the sensor moving. It didn't really want to come out nicely, but some prying helped and it went flying. Couldn't really show it on the camera, but there it is. As you can see, just a plastic sensor, well, covered in plastic, so it shouldn't really rust or anything like that. So I'm not adding any lubricant or whatever, just stuffing it in and pushing it in all the way. Just going in by hand. So once your sensor is in, just be careful putting it in, a little fragile. Reconnected. And just reassemble everything. Just, the shield, the brakes, and you're done. Hope it helps.